Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP system review video, I had to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have come in with the OLSP system Megalink. So down the right hand side here, it says my commissions $151.41. But more importantly, in this video, I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you exactly how this system works. I'll show you some proof of the multiple income streams. And it's called a mega link, and it's one link where you can promote and earn up to 7 income streams. If you'd like a free video tour, then the link in the description will give you access to this video here. It just lasts about 10 minutes long, and you can meet the owner and creator of the OLSP system and the Megalink, and this is Wayne Crowe. And Wayne's got 15 years experience in the industry, so that's a great video tour there, free video tour that'll give you a bit more of an overview as to what Megalink is all about. And I'll show you my commission proof. I'll go into commissions down here on the left hand side. We'll just blur out the members' information for privacy. Let's go into more transactions so I can show you the complete journey. Excuse me. So let's go into the full transactions there. So if we come right back to the beginning here, I started this journey on December the 6th. So I just blurred out the members' information there for privacy. And what you'll see here is, so the mega link, this is $7 here. This is a 100% commission with the mega link. And the other income streams that have been created in here, Mega Messenger. So far, the 3 out of the 7 income streams. Mega Messenger, that's a one-time offer, special offer, $10.80. And there's also some in here of the magic link, list building and magic link of $7 there. So you'll see Mega Messenger, list building, Mega Messenger. We come all the way back to 2 more list building and magic links there. And let's just go all the way to the top here. And this is today's date here, the 17th of December. And that's the current balance that I showed you at the beginning of the video of $151.40. So the training and the support is really, let's go back into the dashboard here. The training and the support is really where this system, where the owner Wayne really excels, and where this system really comes into play. So first of all, when you get your mega link and you join the members area, there's weekly live trainings, but let me show you this here. So you come down here, and these, you see it says free here. So how I made 10 million in commissions. So this is a free training by the owner Wayne Crowe, and it goes right back to basics. So this is a system that's perfect for beginners. Wayne want to show brand new people, people at all levels, but especially brand new people as well, how to get started with affiliate marketing. And then this free training here is called the 100 Commission Hack. So when you first join, I recommend you watch those. And then I'm going to show you now over here. Let me go over here and show you how this system works. So what happens here is, with the mega link, you get one link. And if you're brand new, don't get overwhelmed by all these boxes here, because what happens is, this is a training that Wayne has done. So you'll see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trainings down the left hand side there. So he really breaks everything down nice and simple. Now what he's done here, you'll see he's drawn a line down here. So this is really important now, especially if you're brand new. And all you've got to do is focus on the two things to the left-hand side of this line here. That's it. That's all you've got to focus on. The two things there on the left-hand side of that line. So let's go into marker. So you get your mega link, which is an affiliate link when you join. You look in the top right hand corner there. If I just move that out of the way, if you look in the top right hand corner here, it says mega link. So you're going to get your link. That's all you need. And then what he's going to do, he's going to teach you how to drive traffic in the training, how to drive traffic to that mega link. And then what happens there, this is when the magic happens after there. What happens there is where this done for you funnel that Wayne has created, this is a complete done for you funnel that he's created where you earn commissions. So let me show you exactly how this works. So he gives you, so with your mega link, you're going to get a lead capture page like this one here. So you don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create any autoresponder messages. It's all the follow-ups are done for you, automated. So when your prospect puts their email into there, you're going to promote this one page. That's it. And when your prospects put their email into there, then what happens is, so you're going to promote the squeeze page or the landing page. They're going to put their email into there. And then what happens is Wayne and his team, he's got a team of 32 staff. So Wayne and his team on autopilot send out emails for you. So no monthly payments on autoresponders. Complete done for you. Autoresponder, professionally written. He's got a team of 32 staff. Remember, he's earned $11 million. This Wayne knows exactly what he's doing. Completely done for you. Now, within those emails is your affiliate links, AL. So he's promoting you. Your affiliate links. And he's also promoting in those emails, he's promoting these offers for you. Now, Wayne's got his own products over here, our own products. He's got his own products. So he promotes products ranging from, there's some low ticket here. He promotes monthly recurring ones where you can earn a monthly recurring commission, and he even promotes high ticket for you as well. So he's promoting all of these for you. And then if any of your prospects who've opted in decide they want to buy to make money online, you're going to earn the commissions. So now it gets even better than that, because what he's done is he's created a Facebook group and a community of members that are helping each other. So he's live within the Facebook group himself, and he also does a lot more stuff over here. I'm not going to go into great detail, but the main thing is you just pay a one-time $7, no monthly membership cost. One time $7. The value is absolutely superb. And then you just have one job to do, and that's learn how to generate traffic to your mega link. And he's going to do all the training for you within the members area and the weekly live trainings that he does. So he's got absolutely every angle covered for you. So let's have a look at his Facebook group here. There's 142,000 members in the Facebook group. Wayne is live in the Facebook group. He's very interactive with his members, but he's got some very successful affiliate marketers in here that are here to help and support you and train you with the Megalink and the OLSP system. So let's just cover one thing here, the income disclaimer in the description. So I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just showing you what works for me and other members, and we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and promote it as an affiliate. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then excuse me, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. Then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So I'm currently doing several new videos every week. I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP System or Megalink, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will be in the description as well, if you want to contact me direct through email. I recommend that you just go to the link in the description and come and meet Wayne Crowe and watch this short video here, and he's going to give you lots of information about the Megalink and OLSP system. And there's more information on this page as well that'll be of interest to you. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.